जाता है कि स्टाइल इज अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड और आज इंडिया में स्टाइल इज ऑन एवरीवन's माइंड। ब्लेंडर्स प्राइड मैजिकल नाइट्स म्यूजिक सीरीज प्रेजेंट्स डिजाइनर डायरीज में हम जानेंगे इस स्टाइल रेवोल्यूशन के लीडर्स को अप क्लोज एंड पर्सनल। इंडियन फैशन के स्टार्स एंड ज़ारीनास की सक्सेस स्टोरीज, उनकी लाइफ के उतार चढ़ाव और कैसे इन फैबुलस स्टाइल जीनियसेस ने बनाया इस दुनिया को अ मोर स्टाइलिश प्लेस। हमारी आज की डिजाइन जीनियस है एक ऐसी लेडी who stood the test of time in the fashion circuit. बॉलीवुड से इनका नाता है बहुत ही गहरा। She's dressed the stars in over 375 films and has won 4 National Film Awards for Best Costume Designer. आज इस esteemed designer का bridal trousseau है हर होने वाली दुल्हन का dream। Blenders Bright Magical Nights Music CDs presents Designer Diaries पर आज हम झांक रहे हैं into the designer diary of Desi design diva Neeta Lulla. But hold on people, इनका ये super successful mega achiever persona है काफी अलग from the real life Neeta Lulla जो है a tomboy at heart.
I was quite a disaster when it came to studying and I had to be forced into studying and it was always about doing masti and fun. I remember my dad used to buy me 17 magazine. I would go through the magazine, look at the various pictures, look at the way models were dressed, their makeup. It was just for fun and then I would probably, you know, if there was a different way of wearing a scarf shown in the pictures, I would pick up a scarf and try it on around me and try to see how it looked. And I think that was my only sort of touch with a little bit of styling or detailing on my garments. The fact that I didn't want to study, and like every conservative family, my dad said that if you don't study, we'll get you married. I said, yeah, boy, get me married. I mean, I don't want to study. And that was it. And I was married, and then my in-laws essentially, I would say, were instrumental in nudging me to either take up a course in cookery or a course in tailoring. And for me at that point in time it was tailoring because I would get to wear new clothes and I would get to tailor my garments and probably make the darzi understand what I want to wear. That's how I took up fashion design.
यहीं से शुरू हुआ था नीता का design dream. Next came a design course at SNDT and internship with the designer extraordinaire Hemant Trivedi.
He was a very, very important factor in mentoring me towards what I was inclined at. He taught me a lot about how shows are choreographed, how lighting is done for stage, and how you sort of come up with a theme for a particular show. The music, what is the kind of music that really, really sort of creates an impact for the garments that you're showcasing.
एक फैशन शो के पीछे के क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट्स समझने के बाद द यंग एंड रेस्टलेस नीता decided to dabble a little in fashion choreography, जो तब था even more new age than designing. Renowned fashion choreographer Jeannie Nauroji बनी इनकी mentor और नीता suddenly became the diligent student.
She used to bring this whole bag of old beads or flowers or whatever she had lying with her and say, okay, now I need you to make jewelry out of this and style a look. I guess that taught me a great deal about how to style a particular garment.
अब तक इस soon to be path breaking designer के पास थी एक डिग्री और some serious experience in the world of fashion. लेकिन किस्मत ने नीता के लिए कुछ अलग ही प्लान कर रखा था।
What happened was that someone in the family was making a film and asked me to help out. For me, it was just doing one particular film just for the sake of, you know, seeing how it was working with the stars. The film was Tamacha, and back in the 80s, there was no concept of, actually giving the script to the designer or making them understand what it was. My first outfit was for Kimi Katkar, and it was an absolute disaster. When the outfit went on set in the morning, the kind of yelling that I got from Kimmy's mom, I mean, could have disheartened any designer. But I guess something inside me said that no, I need to take this challenge, and that day shooting was cancelled. I had to redo the entire thing looking the same way for the next day. One of the senior dressmen told me about this particular master who does clothes for dancers, and I went up to him and I requested him to make the garment for me overnight. इसको अभी length cut, ये क्या length है? Measure tape दे. Front अभी 40 है. I sat with him all night and I saw how he was cutting the dress and I asked him a lot of questions. ये कहाँ आना है वो पूरा marking है ना? Marking है ना? It was quite a learning experience. It was quite an exposure to what goes into the techniques of film garments. And the next day when I took the outfit for shooting at 9 o'clock in the morning, Kimmy's mom was absolutely surprised and she just patted me and she said, you know what, you're going to really make it big.
कहते हैं ना, the best things in life often happen by chance. अपनी पहली फिल्म की सक्सेस के बाद जल्द ही नीता को आने लगे ढेर सारे calls to design and style the stars for photo shoots, including one assignment that started off a long-standing designer-star association. नीता को मिला मौका to style the then super-duper diva Sridevi for a film magazine cover shoot.
I met Sridevi and she said, okay, I mean, you can do whatever you want. It was a mid-shot and she needed to sort of look really gorgeous and glamorous. When I met her, she had rollers in her hair and she was sort of just getting her hair ready to get into the look that I had, and she said, okay, show me what you have. I carried this fabric which was all gold crushed tissue. She looked at it and she said, that's it? I mean, this is what you're going to use. I said, yeah, this is what I'm going to use. I said, just leave the rollers on in your hair. Don't open them out. I draped the fabric around her head and I took the fabric around her shoulders, made it look like the top of a gown in an Elizabethan sort of neckline. Put the earrings on for her. She was very happy.
Sridevi was stunned by the sheer magic of what Neeta had shown. फोटोशूट हुआ सक्सेसफुल और उस कवर शॉट को किया गया यूज श्रीदेवी के एड कैंपेन्स में एंड ऑल्सो इन द श्रीदेवी हॉल ऑफ फेम. व्हाट नेक्स्ट? श्रीदेवी ने किया डिमांड कि मिस लुल्ला करे स्टाइल ऑल हर ऑन स्क्रीन कॉस्ट्यूम्स. दैट्स नॉट ऑल. उस वक्त की बाकी की टॉप लीडिंग लेडीज भी आई नॉक नॉक नॉकिंग ऑन नीता's designer door.
Life was like a kind of a whirlwind because it was shoots in the morning, photo shoots in the afternoon or evening. Sridevi, who was working on 3 films at one time, it was like a complete mela. ये इसका ये निकाल दो जल्दी फटाफट ये निकालो हरी हाँ डोरी निकालो इसको क्लीन करके मुझे दो. At that point in time, I was working from a very small little outlet with 2 machines where I would actually sit and even cut the garment if the need be with my tailors, and then things went on and slowly sort of work increased and the machines increased.
Lady Luck ने किया था Smile Down on Neeta और B-Town Divas के साथ. इनका ये एसोसिएशन जल्द ही करने वाला था लीड टू द सक्सेस एस्केलेटर. तो क्या था इस डिजाइनिंग डीवा के करियर का वो एक टर्निंग पॉइंट जिसके बाद ब्रांड नीता लुल्ला बनी द बिगेस्ट इन द बिजनेस? जानेंगे इस ब्रेक के बाद ओनली ऑन ब्लेंडर्स प्राइड मैजिकल नाइट्स म्यूजिक सीरीज प्रेजेंट्स डिजाइनर डायरीज. आज ब्लेंडर्स प्राइड मैजिकल नाइट्स म्यूजिक सीरीज प्रेजेंट्स डिजाइनर डायरीज में हम कर रहे हैं फॉलो द स्टेलर क्लाइंब टू द टॉप ऑफ द स्टाइल ज़ारीना नीता लुल्ला. इनका लाइफ मंत्रा लाइफ इज नॉट सेट ऑन एनी रूल. लिव द वे यू लव एंड गिव योर बेस्ट एवरी सिंगल टाइम. Well, that's something she sure does. फिल्म डिजाइनिंग की दुनिया में खुद को एस्टैब्लिश करने के बाद and more importantly, श्रीदेवी की BFF यानी बेस्ट फ्रेंड इन फैशन बनने के बाद आया इनके करियर का मेजर टर्निंग पॉइंट.
I think Chandni was the first stepping stone for me, and the minute Chandni was released, people started to, get to know that here I was doing clothes for them. The amount of directors that I worked with at that point in time, Yashji was the only one who had the sense of wanting aesthetics to be in a particular way. We developed a rapport where he wanted me to work on all his films.
And the combined aesthetics of Yash Chopra ji and Neeta gave rise to the simplistic, lekin phir bhi phenomenally stylish look of Sridevi in Lamhe. Yash ji ke saath kai sari films karne ke baad फीट ने फिर से किया इंटरवीन जब एक यश राज फिल्म की टेस्ट शूट पर नीता मिली उनकी सून टू बी म्यूज फॉर लाइफ ऐश्वर्या राय से.
I found this girl who was really beautiful, very soft-spoken, very extremely pretty, and I had to dress her up for the test shoot, which went through fantastically well. I mean, the way she performed, the way she spoke, the way she danced was absolutely mesmerizing.
The rest, as they say, is history, folks. Ash और नीता का association शुरू हुआ इस छोटी सी meeting से, and it just went on and on and on. Neeta Fee, the design genius behind Ash's every gorgeous moment on celluloid. ताल की dancing free spirit से लेकर हम दिल दे चुके सनम की colorful ethnic नंदिनी तक, देवदास की dainty पारो से लेकर जोधा अकबर की empress तक. What followed was ढेर सारे awards, including 2 national awards. वैसे what also made fashion headlines was the fact that Ash के कई सारे ultra glam red carpet outfits पे था the Neeta Lula label. But the lowest point in both their high fashion lives came when the critics lashed out at Neeta for Ash's red carpet gowns at Cannes 2003.
That entire phase for the 2 to 3 days where the news that came in the media and where I had designers writing derogatory remarks and comments about me. Then I had designers who actually supported me at that point in time. Gave me a lot of learning experience. I mean, when you go through something like this, obviously, I mean, it completely shatters you. I was living that disaster. I was living that backlash for a long time. I felt that how is it that people can be so cruel, and how can they be what they are? At that point in time, I think Aishwarya's mom was a great support. She was with me, holding my hand, and so was Aishwarya. But thinking about it today and looking at it, it was a learning experience, and thank God I realized that very soon. But I guess life goes on, people forget about it, and the irony of the entire thing, and when I look back, is the fact that despite all that happened and what people believed in, eventually I did all of Aishwarya's clothes, mostly all of them, for her wedding. I still went on to do a lot of her clothes for a long time.
Well, हम कहते हैं, a few lows here and there make the highs of life even more interesting. उनके never say die attitude से she came back stronger than ever. इनकी creations हुए हर hot runway पे showcase, from US, Canada, Monte Carlo, London, Dubai to the prestigious Blenders Pride fashion tour. Neeta has more than done her part in making the world a stylish place. लेकिन you know what's a total visual treat? इस creative seamstress के concept-based ramp shows. हर बार एक नई कहानी and to die for couture. What more can we ask for, right?
I guess concept-based shows come about because of my experience in choreography and direction of a show, and also a very integral part is because of working on films which have a story to it. Therefore, I like to show my clothes or project the fashion statement in a way where it tells a story. I love to play with themes which have some kind of feeling to it, some kind of an emotion that touches your heart.
Over time, कई सारे new age young, raring to go designers आए हैं और चले गए, लेकिन इस Queen of Style का customer base बस बढ़ता ही गया है. With stores all over the world, from vintage to modern chic, अपनी creations को ये mega designer कैसे देती हैं इनकी unique identity? It's all to do with her design philosophy.
I'm more of a romanticist when it comes to clothes. I believe in making a woman look sensual rather than outright sexy, and I believe in bringing out the magnanimous characterization of a woman because I believe she is multifaceted. I want to play with different cuts, I want to play with different color schemes, I want to play with different styles.
यही तो है इनका free-spirited attitude that we so love. The lady is never scared to experiment, और इनके rich, regal और royal collections करते हैं किसी भी fashionista को transport into a world of fantasy.
Neeta is always known for very, very glamorous wears. The best thing about her is that she can make anyone look pretty and anyone look ravishing.
मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है कि वो ट्रेडिशनल भी है, बहुत सुंदर देती है और एकदम मॉडर्न आउटफिट्स भी इतना बढ़िया दिया So she's one of our best dress designer we are having.
Miss Lulla, we have to ask you, इन सारे dreamy designs का inspiration आखिर आता कहाँ से है?
Inspirations depends. It can be no inspiration. I could just work on a collection looking at a fabric. I could work on a collection because some kind of a social issue has touched my heart, or some feeling has touched my heart. For example, I worked on this collection on female feticide because at one point I was working out in the gym and I was watching the TV, and I read about this child who was found next to the dustbin in Warsaw, and it really touched my heart, and I don't know why, but I decided to work on a collection that took up the cause of female feticide.
Haute couture designing के 3 mega phases, inspiration to ideation to execution. और ये last phase हमारे हिसाब से है सबसे tricky. So how does this dream weaver deal with phase 3?
Once you've understood the essence of your inspiration, once you've understood what is the style lines that you need to follow, for me this becomes a complete cakewalk, because then I know the kind of colors I need to use, the kind of silhouettes I need to use. Show me all the color trends. The green, no? The olive green is nice. Obviously, I know the kind of person or the woman I'm designing for. मेरे को ये नहीं जम रहा, ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ लग रहा है. Collar लगा दे, इसका फिर देख लेते हैं. Yeah, I have been able to create a niche in that aspect with Indo-Western clothing and bridal wear and clothes that have a very colorful feel to them.
इस phenomenal designer के लिए nothing is too tough. इनके मन की वो आवाज इन्हें बताती है what to create and how, and she just goes with the flow. Call it instinct, call it luck, लेकिन हम कहेंगे कि it's all about confidence. और नीता का यही confidence इन्हें बना चुका है an entrepreneur par excellence. Want to know more about that? Well, find out after this little break here on Blenders Pride Magical Nights Music CDs presents Designer Diaries. Hey people, ये है The Blenders Pride Magical Nights Music CDs presents Designer Diaries. और आज it's all about the queen of elegant designs, grace and style, Neeta Lulla. Glitterati को अपने fabulous design से royalty का touch देने के अलावा ये bold and beautiful lady also है a thriving entrepreneur.
You know, strangely, when films happened simultaneously, I had launched my bridal line and I was doing a lot of bridal wear. I was doing a lot of diffusion for a lot of people. I was doing a lot of customized clothes for various occasions. I was doing a lot of gowns for a lot of people. And word of mouth, I had developed a great clientele, setting up the infrastructure for me to be able to work in an organized format. The credit goes to my son, who actually was instrumental in setting up the entire foundation for this.
इस designer diva के लिए fashion is a lifelong pursuit of excellence, and इनके immensely grand creation से इन्होंने दिया है Bollywood को एक super stylized look or feel for the last 28 years, and she's still going strong, people.
She did my clothes for my film Shivaji, and her cuts are mind-blowing. They're amazing.
अनीता ने मेरी पहली फिल्म के लिए डिजाइन किया था मेरे लिए. She's a really dear friend.
Most of B-Town's hottest leading ladies did their first movie with Neeta styling for them. And so the big sawal now is, any favorites, Neeta?
Each one is very special to me, and I have a special rapport with them. And each one has a distinctive style element that comes out in the kind of dressing that they have developed over the years.
Bollywood के period फिल्मों की design expert, Bollywood divas की favorite designer, and above all, a lady who knows design better than anyone around. Neeta Lulla है a total phenomenon, and we wish her the best of the best. रही बात आपकी, though we hope to see you next week when we return with Blenders Pride Magical Nights Music CDs presents Designer Diaries, only on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.
Hi, this is Moni Roy. Follow Zoom TV on Twitter and get Bollywood news and happenings 24/7. Just visit www.twitter.com/ZoomTV.